boon HWAY, a bowl with a crown on its head, from HWAY, the old imperial capital of central Vietnam. Here, along the Perfume River, in the kitchens that once cooked for emperors, they learned to draw fire and lemongrass into a single fragrant bowl. This is the South's answer to pho, older in spirit and far more bold. Most bowls you find abroad are a shadow of the real thing. A little chili oil, a little shortcut, and they call it HWAY. But the true bowl is patient. It is built on beef bones and bruised lemongrass, on a whisper of fermented shrimp paste, and on a deep red sheen that comes not from chili, but from a natto seed, coaxed slowly into hot oil. Nothing here is rushed. Nothing here is loud. The fire stays low, and the broth keeps its secrets. Servings 4. 30 minutes of preparation, 2.5 hours of cooking. Total time 3 hours. 3 pounds of beef bones, 1.5 pounds of beef brisket, 1/2 pound of shrimp, 2 tablespoons of fermented shrimp paste, 6 stalks of lemongrass, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon of annatto seeds, 4 cloves of garlic, 3 green onions, 14 ounces of thick rice vermicelli, and 2 teaspoons of salt. We begin with the bones. 3 pounds of beef bones lowered into a large pot of boiling water. Let them blanch for 10 minutes. The water will cloud and rise to a gray foam, and this is what we are after. The foam carries away the bitterness. After 10 minutes, drain the bones and rinse them clean under cool water. A clear broth begins here, with the patience to throw the first water away. Now the broth itself. Return the rinsed bones to a clean pot and lay in 1.5 pounds of beef brisket beside them. Pour over 16 cups of cold water. Take 6 stalks of lemongrass, sa in Vietnamese, and bruise them gently with the back of a knife, just enough to wake the oils. Add them to the pot with 2 teaspoons of salt. Bring it up slowly, then drop the heat low. Let it simmer, barely moving, for 2 hours. This is the long, quiet hour of the dish. While the broth simmers, we make the color. In a small pan, warm 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil with 1 tablespoon of annatto seeds. Keep the heat gentle. Slowly, the oil begins to bloom. Amber, then orange, then a deep glowing red, the color of HWAY itself. This is the secret the shortcuts never learn. The red of this broth is not chili. It is annatto, drawn out with nothing but warmth and time. When the oil runs red, lift out the annatto seeds and let them go. Into that colored oil, stir 4 cloves of garlic, sliced, and let them turn soft and gold. Then, pour the whole fragrant mixture into the simmering broth. Now, the soul of the bowl. 2 tablespoons of fermented shrimp paste, mamruk, whisked into a little cold water and left to settle. Pour in only the clear liquid above and leave the grit behind. Let it simmer 15 minutes more until the broth turns savory and deep. The brisket is ready now, tender from its long bath. Lift it from the broth and let it rest a moment. Then slice it thin against the grain, each piece soft enough to fold. And while the broth still steams, slip in half a pound of shrimp. They need only a minute. Watch them curl and turn from gray to pink, and lift them out the moment they do. Nothing in this bowl is overcooked. Everything is timed by the eye. And now the bowl comes together. Boil 14 ounces of thick rice vermicelli, the round, slippery strands that hold the broth so well. Divide them between the bowls. Lay over the sliced beef and the pink shrimp. Scatter 3 green onions across the top. And then the broth. Ladle it over hot and red and fragrant until it rises to meet the noodles. Steam lifts, lemongrass returns. The bowl is alive. History and cultural origins. Boon Bo HWAY is a dish of the imperial city. HWAY was the seat of the Nguyen emperors, the last royal dynasty of Vietnam. For more than a century, the court there demanded food of great refinement, and the cooks answered with dishes balanced between fire and fragrance, between the humble and the regal. This bowl carries that inheritance, a peasant's noodle soup raised in a palace kitchen. They say the finest noodles came from a single village, Van Cu, just outside the city walls, where families have pressed rice into boon for generations. The old cooks of HWAY held that the lemongrass must be bruised, never chopped, that the shrimp paste must be added with a whisper, never a shout. The whole art of this bowl is restraint, to let each thing speak without letting any one of them rule. To understand this bowl, you must place it on the map. In the north, in Hanoi, Phở is clear and gentle and quiet. But here in the center, in HWAY, the food turns bolder, spicier, louder with lemongrass and shrimp and chili. Central Vietnam, Minh Trung, has always cooked this way, a land caught between mountains and sea, where the flavors learn to stand up and be counted. Today, this bowl belongs to the morning. Across HWAY and far beyond it, the day begins with a steaming bowl of boon bò, sold from low stools and roadside carts, from the gan baskets carried since long before the cars came. It has crossed oceans now, and you will find it wherever the Vietnamese have made a home. A taste of the imperial city, carried in the memory of everyone who left. Serve it the way HWAY still loves it. The noodles, the beef, the shrimp, a scattering of green onion, and that deep red broth, lemongrass bright and steaming. Lift the bowl close. Let the fragrance find you. Boon Bo HWAY is the rarest kind of recipe, one that was born in a palace and yet learned to live on the street. It survives because it never forgot either home, the grandeur of the court and the warmth of the morning stool. And the table, at last, is set.